country. And we're back. I got some packages delivered today. Today is September 22nd. And remember I told you I got some lights to put underneath the counter. So the lights got delivered and I've installed them. So right here I'm just showing you what it looks like now with the light. And I also had some extras left over. I decided to put those two down near the fridge at the back of the shop. Give a little bit more light down here. And the lights are rechargeable, so that's a nice little feature. And this is one more item that I got. Change out the shower head in the bathroom. Because this one here was supposed to be a heated shower head, but honestly I don't know who my mom got to install the shower head. They did not do a good job. I was so scared to use it. I didn't even use it the whole time I was there. I should have showed you guys. When you turn it on, there's water spewing everywhere in all different directions. So I didn't even attempt to turn on the heater on this thing here because I was scared to get electrocuted. So I got the new shower head. My cousin came and installed it, and this is what it's looking like. And he also had to drill a hole in the wall to do the reconnection, and the pipe was leaking and all these things, so we had to fix it. And then look at the wire up here, guys. Look at the wire. The dude that installed the shower head, this is how he run the wire. Look how the wire looks. He didn't even run the wire neatly to make it look decent. This is why you have to be careful who you get to come and do stuff for you at your home. Since I've been here, I've started using this hair oil and it makes my hair feel so good. I'm gonna try to get at least a jar to bring back to Canada with me so I can continue using, but I don't even know where I'm gonna get more when I run out. So I'm taking my little time with this. If you guys know about this hair oil and you know where I can get it online, please let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate it. And we also got more stock for the shop. Yay! Here we have more juices, water, cranberry water. We have crackers, tough crackers, and all different type of crackers. And we have mackerel and sausage, peanuts, salted and roasted peanuts. We have cornflakes, light bulb, we have soap, we have laundry detergent or fab, whatever you guys call it. We have and snacks. And here we have sardine tin, mackerel. We have a bunch of stuff. Hopefully everything can hold on the shelves. If not, I did order an extra shelf just in case. Unfortunately, I won't be here to help unpack these goods because today is actually my last day in Jamaica. I'm leaving tomorrow morning, Friday, September 26th at 11:45 a.m. But I won't be going straight to Canada. My flight is from Montego Bay to Florida. I'll be in Florida for a week before I go home to Canada. My dad actually sponsored this flight. Thank you, Dad. That was a nice gesture, but he felt like I needed to get some little time for myself before I went back home to Canada. So really and truly, this 1 week here will be my only vacation time per se I had from I've left. Traveling for the first time with my dad. Yes. You guys in Florida. Having breakfast, egg, toast, and stuff. It was pretty good. All having the same thing. Now, after breakfast, this is us waiting on our flight. These are the kind of people I like to travel with. People who turn up early at the airport. And here we are, finally on the plane. I'm so excited. Yay! Can you believe this is my first time going to Florida? I cannot believe this. This is my second time going to the States, but this is my first time going to Florida. Man, look how I look stressed out, man. I can't believe this. Man, look how I look stressed out. Oh, Jamaica stressed me out. I don't even look like myself here. I look nothing like the girl that left Canada a few months ago to come to Jamaica. I don't know about you guys, but honestly, like every time I'm supposed to travel to Jamaica, I get serious anxiety. While I'm there, I get even more stressed while I'm there. So honestly, I've decided I'm gonna give Jamaica a break for a while because like it's too stressful. It's nice when you're coming to stay for a vacation and you're only gonna be here for a week or two and then you're out. But once you're here for a little while, you just start to see how you start getting reminded of all the reasons why you wanted to leave in the first place. Let me know in the comments if you have had similar experiences or if you get what I'm trying to say. Here we go. Take off. Bye bye Jamaica for now. Water is so pretty. I might speed through this just a little bit, but I want to capture every bit of this moment. Like I said, it's my first time going to Florida and I just want to savor the moment. I do watch back my videos every now and then and I just want to have this as a reminder, you know, that I went to Florida. Hopefully I get to go again soon, and this is just the first of many more trips to come. And we're pretty much here in Florida now. We're in Florida's airspace now, guys. Yay! Wow, this is so pretty. And look at that. They have a lot of lakes. Are those lakes or water drainages? Every community complex or every block have a pond or something in the middle. But I think they use this as their water drainage for their water runoff. This is new. I've never seen anything like this in Canada. Or maybe we do, but not for every block how it's set up here. But like, wouldn't this be scary if they have a lot of rain here? Wouldn't the areas get flooded very easily? It looks cute though. There's water everywhere. Oh yes, and this is Florida. Doesn't that mean there's a lot of crocodiles too? Oh my gosh. I love this. I really like Florida. I'd like to come again. It's almost like Jamaica but not as hot. Like the best of both worlds. And here we go. We're touching down. I hope you guys enjoyed the journey as much as I did. I know this is probably not too significant for some of you guys, but it is for me because it's my first time in Florida. Not my first time flying, obviously, but my first time in Florida, so it's very exciting. We're in Florida, Hollywood Airport. We had a pretty smooth landing. It was good.
In Florida. Coming down the escalator. Florida in the house.
Yes, so I'm gonna end this video right here for now. And I'll catch you guys in my next video, my next Florida vlog. Okay, bye.